Hello viewers and my subscribers, greetings from Boston. Hope you are all well. My friends and my subscribers requested me to make some South Indian style food. So today I decided to make South Indian style okra curry. Here we have okra and also I have a fresh turmeric which needs to be skinned and chopped into small pieces. I want to show you the difference okra and ginger. This is ginger, and I also have curry leaves. I don't use the curry leaves in all the dishes, but I'm going to use it today. I bought the curry leaves from India store. It comes in a small plastic pack like that. You can also get from Stop and Shop as well here. I have olive oil and turmeric. This one is powdered turmeric. It's called haldi. I also have a red chili powder, tomatoes, 4 tomatoes. I have chopped all the ingredients. Garlic, fresh turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, curry leaves. I have cilantro chopped. There's a little chili which it was in my yard, so I just took it and put it in there, and it's chopped onion and chopped tomato, and I have made small pieces of okra. This is turmeric. This is the powdered turmeric. I will not use it today. Okay, so in a heated pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil or whatever the oil you like to use, no problem. Heat the oil nicely, just a few seconds, and so that you can fry the chopped onion in it. Basically saute the onion until it is tenderly cooked. It doesn't have to go brown. Make sure it doesn't go too brown either. You have to stand there literally cook. The next step is I'm going to add curry leaves. So I'm going to add curry leaves and garlic, and I'm going to add turmeric, fresh turmeric, okay, and you can add all the dry ingredients. All the dry ingredients are all added, and then I'm going to add tomatoes. And let me cook this. This has to be cooked for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so the tomatoes are soft, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit more. I want all the tomatoes, onion and garlic, everything is nicely cooked and soft. And then I will add the okra. I'm adding normally Himalayan salt and pure Himalayan Asian sea salt, whatever it is. Anyway, so that will do. Just see that it's like half a teaspoon. Okay, so leave this to cook. Leave this nicely. This will be soft and cooked nicely. All the fresh chopped ingredients has to be cooked nicely. Okay. Oh, already smells so nice. This is perfect for my cold weather this time. I'm gonna close it. Okay. Now it's cooked for 3 minutes and it's nicely bubbling. Always let the water bubble. If you put it in the cold water, okra will go gooey, not gluey, gooey. Okay, I'm gonna add this. Okay, Oops, sorry, that was loud. This is cooking. I'm just gonna let it cook, and for at least 20 minutes I will cook. Not on high flame. Make it into, you know, a little bit hot. And I have cilantro. The cilantro I washed and I chopped. Sometimes I leave the tender branches. I put them as well, so it tastes better. It all gets cooked and it comes out really nicely. And that's it. I am gonna leave this to cook. Okay, I'm gonna make chapati. This is a brown and white flour dough. I mixed it. I keep it in the fridge, and I have taken 3 portions and I roll it in my hand, each portion, and nicely roll it, and then make it like a biscuit. You can twist it and make it like a, just watch me how I do it. Make it like a biscuit. So I thought with the okra, chapati will go very well. You can have it with the bread or rice as well. But I decided to make chapati. We normally in India we eat a lot of chapatis, and normally with the brown flour, and I just add a tiny bit of a white flour to give that kind of a softness. So roll it nicely. I will make my chapatis normally on iron pan. You can see this iron pan is well used. I got this actually from Super 88 China stove, and it's very handy. You can also buy from India store as well. Now you can see that okra is well cooked, and oh my god, it smells so delicious, and it's gonna be really tasty. I think I should add cilantro as well. Add the cilantro and let it cook another 3 minutes. Then okra dish will be ready. So let's make the chapati. After rolling, just put it on the pan and let it to cook.
Push it down.
Perfect chapati I made. Whoops, hot. It's hot. Okay, okra is ready, nice and hot.
Thank you.
And I made the paratha as well. Lunch is ready. Excellent. Enjoy the meal. I hope you guys will try at home as well. And please send some comments.